Hey folks, Todd here. Today we're going to install the Husky Liners headliner on this Jeep JL 4-door. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, starting off, let me let you know we've got this set upside down. This is actually easier to do with it outside of the Jeep, but if it's installed on the Jeep, you can also still install this stuff with the top on the Jeep. But for your sake, I've got this upside down on top of a cloth to make sure nothing gets scratched up. And I went ahead and placed all the individual components of the headliner into the fiberglass shell. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and lift this up and show you what we have is some 3M tape. It's automotive grade tape. And then we've got a surface. What we're going to do is we're going to clean off the surfaces that the tape adheres to and then peel everything off and then set it in place. And what we're going to use to clean it off is some isopropyl alcohol. All right, once we got all those surfaces prepped, we're going to go ahead and peel away the adhesive protector. Now I'm going to go ahead and get everything lined up. Make sure it's going to fall right into place where I want it. And then I can bear down along all the areas where it has the adhesive. Good pressure means good adhesion. All right, we're going to go ahead and repeat the same for all of the rest of the panels. right, and we can go ahead and do the freedom panels the exact same way. Make sure our latches are not covering up where we're going to be dropping it down. Well, that concludes the installation. If you have any questions, call the experts or visit us online.